back, everybody. Chad from the Right Line. We're starting one more project today. We are installing that Foxwing Oztent 270-degree awning right on the side of our camper, and we're going to make it super easy. We're just going to mount it right to the face of this bracket. Now this roof rack bar is mounted just a little bit tilted forward as compared to the bar here in the back. So what I did here is I just make the same measurements of where those holes are supposed to be drilled according to the back mount, and I just offsetted it a little bit further forward. So when I mount this on here, despite the fact that the bar is tilted forward, the awning will still be mounted straight up and down to match the back and the roof line. Alright, the way this hardware works is pretty simple. The back of this bolt is square, and these bolts slide in these channels. It was a little of a pain in the butt to get those bolts in underneath that little cover there, but bolts slide in, and then from here you slide them down the track wherever you need them so they can bolt to our mount on the top of the trailer. Oh, you son of a gun. All right, now we got it bolted up there, but there's clearly a little bit of an issue. It needs to go that way, so let's give it a little push. All right, there's only one way to see how it works. That's to tighten it up and open it. All right, here we go. We're going to open this up for the first time. We're going to open it all the way up, open the galley in the back, and just see how close we got. All right, let's get the galley open here. 1, 2. There you go. Nice. Now, That is going to be really nice out camping to have this nice covered area. I think it's going to be fantastic. Now, I did order the panels. There's 4 panels. They come in a pair when you order them, and they zip on up here all the way around. There's one here, there's one here, here, and here, and then they zip to each other. So I'll have a wall right here, and a wall right here, and a wall right there, and a wall right there. That'll all be enclosed. That went on very well. I'm really surprised that that awning went on as quickly and as well as it did. I am super happy with it so far. And it is, just to let everybody know, Foxwing by Oztent, 270-degree awning. Awesome. I can't wait for the panels to come in. They're on back order right now. This is going to be awesome. Now, maybe you saw me pull down this great big bag off of the awning when it was fully closed to begin with. This is a bag, this large bag holds all of the legs for the awning, which is really cool. Plus this bag here, it has guy wires in it to really tie it down on a really windy day. Plenty of stakes, and then that strap right there, that strap anchors that corner to the end of the trailer. So super happy about this. Nice, good quality, super happy. Way to go, Oztent. Thanks for making a cool product. I actually don't mind just sitting here staring at it. Alright, we got that wire all tied up with those command hooks all the way down the front of the coach. And to the front here. Now I did put the charge controller just on the tongue here. Now this is only temporary. Flashing green light does mean that it's charging. It is just temporary for now because at some point I want to put a tongue box right in here, and that would be inside the tongue box. That way everything would be locked inside of a box. But in any case, it's working. I'm happy about it. This is nice and secure, and for now it'll do. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed what you saw. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, like, and a share if you really like it, and even a subscription down below. And if you want to leave a comment, I'll try to answer it as fast as I can. This is turning out to be a really cool project, and I know that the family is going to love it. We're getting slowly some things done to this camper to get it where we want it. We got the solar panel mounted, we got the awning mounted, so we're super excited about all of that. Sunray. We still don't have a name for it just yet, but we'll come up with something. There is more to come with this build. I'm not sure quite what it is yet. Maybe a tongue box down here to hold that battery so it's a little bit more secure. We know we want to get that done, but for now, we just want to go out and use it. We are going out this weekend. We're taking the camper. We're going to camp in our first night using this camper. Ooh, that shade is horrible. Sorry, guys. And it'll be really cool because now we're going to have a furnace, and where we're going this weekend is going to be a little cold.